Alright, if you're interested in catching sniper entries like this and this, stick around because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact way I was able to catch those setup. Clean entry, no drawdown, straight to profit. First thing I'll say, for you to catch sniper entries like the one I showed earlier, you need to first understand the market structure. As you can see, this is the 1 hour time frame. You need to understand the market structure where consolidations like this happens and when market is about to move to the upside. You need to understand market structure first. That's like this bullish move, uptrend, downtrend, and from your understanding of the market structure, you'll be able to understand movement like this. When I mean movement like this is a liquidity sweep here. You'll be able to spot out liquidity where liquidities are in the market. This setup, if you look at it very well, this is it here. You'll be able to understand market, you'll be able to understand liquidity sweep and map out your point of interest. For instance, in the market like this now, when the market is about to move, let's take this as a 1 hour demand zone. Let's take this as a 1 hour demand zone order block, right? And the market is consolidating right here. You have mapped out your entry, okay, that you're about you enter here. Your SL will just be a few pips below, and your take profit will just be this high here. This is where your TP1 will be, your first take profit. This is like a 1:3. So you can see very clean setup. Then you have set your limit order. This is where your limit order is, just above this order block right here. Remember, there's always a fair value gap here to validate the order block. All right. So when the market comes, tap into it. It's usually, if it's go down, just go a little, but usually it just come tap and move. Why? Because it's clearing this liquidity here. This liquidity is driving, like it's generating enough money, enough fuel to move the market to the upside. Do you get that? Yeah. So once you understand this, sometimes it might not play out this way, but once you understand this basic concept, you'll be able to catch sniper entries like that. So aside that, there are other things. Identifying the trend that this is a bullish market, identifying the trend, then understand consolidation. Usually when there is consolidation like this, when there is consolidation for a long time, maybe the market has been ranging for long, you understand that usually after if there is a demand zone below, once market comes, tap that demand zone, it has cleared this liquidity. And why is it going to clear? Why is it clearing liquidity? It is doing that to generate enough money, enough energy to move to the upside. So you need to be able to identify when the market is about to move. In the next video, I'll be explaining how to catch like 50 pips from a 20 pips move. How to catch 50 pips, yes, from a 20 pips move. That's literally you entering multiple position on one setup. So instead of you taking one position here, just one position, you get just taking one position, you can enter two positions. So if this was a like 50 pip move, you can capture like maybe 100 pips if you enter two position. Do you get that? So I'll be explaining how you can like 2x or 3x your normal reward on this. So if you don't understand this, please just indicate. I'm going to do another video explaining this concept better. Thank you.